Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a trademark issue with USPTO, complete guide step by step clearly. To address a trademark issue with the USPTO, start by identifying the specific problem you are facing. Carefully review your trademark application or registration for any discrepancies or errors. Gather all relevant documents related to your trademark, including your application, correspondence, and any office actions. Determine if the issue is related to refusal of registration, opposition from another party, or maintenance requirements. If it's a refusal of registration, read the office action thoroughly to understand the reasons for the refusal. Prepare a response to the office action, addressing each point raised by the examining attorney. Ensure your response is factual and supported by appropriate evidence. If the issue is due to opposition, review the notice of opposition. Consider contacting an attorney who specializes in trademark law to assist with your response. If there are maintenance issues, such as a failure to file the required statements of use or renewals, gather the necessary documents to rectify the situation. File the appropriate documents with the USPTO within the specified time frames to avoid losing your trademark rights. Pay any required fees associated with your trademark issue promptly to keep the process moving forward. After submitting your response or corrections, monitor your USPTO account for updates on your case status. If you receive further correspondence or a final refusal from the USPTO, assess your options carefully, including possible appeals. Stay organized and keep detailed records of all communications with the USPTO throughout this process. Patience is key, as trademark matters can take time to resolve. Consistency and attention to detail will help ensure a more favorable outcome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.